Hi, second grade. Well, here we are. It's our last week of school. How unbelievable is that? We've got one last new concept we're going to talk about today. It's with arithmetic. It's checking subtraction. So let's take a look over here on the board. First thing you need to do is work it out just like we've been doing. So we say, all right, our ones place. Can I say 3 minus 7? You had better be shaking your heads no right now, because no, we cannot say 3 minus 7, right? Big number has to be on top. So we go to our tens place, we cross it out, we go down one number, so that will make our 5 a 4. Then we go back over here to our ones place. I'm going to cross out the 3, and we add 10 to what we borrowed. So that 3 is going to become 13. Now we can subtract our big numbers on top. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, and you say, good, I'm done. Nope, no, now you're only halfway done, because now we have to check it. The reason we check our work, literally checking it like this, is it's kind of like a way to double check yourself. And you say, okay, now I know my subtraction is right because it matches up with this. Now here's how you check subtraction. You basically flip your subtraction problem. That's in a sense what you're doing. So we'll take our difference, which is our bottom number. We will add it to our subtrahend, that's our middle number, to see what we get. So let's do that first. So ones place, 6 plus 7 is 13. So I'm going to write my 3. Don't forget to carry. Carry to the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, if you notice, you will see that answer we came up with right here, it's the exact same answer we've got right there at the top of our subtraction problem. That's how you know your answer is correct. When your answer over here, when you add it, is the exact same number as this number up here, you're good to go, okay? So you can remember all these big words right here. Difference plus subtrahend equals minuend, or you can do it a shorter way. And I wrote this on your directions to help you out. Mom and Dad might help you out, explain it a little bit too. In the directions, just add the bottom number plus the middle number to get your top number. That's it. If you're going to add it up like that, then you'll be all set and good to go, okay? And that's actually your sample problem from your page 334. One other quick thing I wanted to go over with. You have a little bit of clocks again today. Overall, we've been doing a really good job with those, telling time to the nearest minute, but there's one little thing I want you to make sure of. Some of you are still counting it by fives. We're not counting it by fives anymore. We're counting it by ones these last few days, okay? These last few days of school. So here is the first one. This is section 2, your very first clock, okay? Now the time is showing and be longhand, just barely past the 2. So I'm going to put it right there where it goes. And then our shorthand, let me slide it on in. I should have done this first. It's going to be on the 4, okay? Now, the time, let's figure it up. We know the hour is 4, right? That's good to go. Now let's go back and figure our minutes. You do count by fives as far as you can. So in this case, we would say 5, 10, but look at that long hand. That long hand is not on the 3. It's not 4:15. We've got to count by ones here. So we go 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's our answer right there. It is 4:13, okay? And the second one, I'm going to let you figure it out, all right? But make sure you're looking where that long hand is. That's going to tell you your minutes, okay? So count by fives as far as you can, then you count by ones, all right? Okay. Well, guys and girls, you've only got, counting today's lesson, 5 school days left. Now, we've got a lot of work to do this week to finish up our books. Don't get slack. Don't get lazy. I know you won't. You guys have been working so super hard. So work your best. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you as always. I love you guys. Have a great day.